Hello everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. Have you opened software update on your iPad but don't see the iPadOS 27 beta option? That's because Apple now requires you to enroll in the Apple Developer Program before the beta update becomes available. Since iPadOS 27 isn't available yet, I'll use iPadOS 26 for this demo. The upgrade process will be the same once iPadOS 27 beta is released, so subscribe and follow this guide when it's released. Before installing any beta version, make sure to back up your important data first. You can use ReiBoot to create a backup beforehand, and if you experience problems after upgrading, ReiBoot can also help you downgrade to a stable iPadOS version. Now, let's look at how to get iPadOS 27 beta option available. First, you can enroll through the Apple Developer website. Open your browser and visit developer.apple.com. Tap Sign Up and log in with your Apple ID. Enter the verification code sent to your Apple device. If prompted, choose Trust to trust this browser. You'll then see the Apple Developer Agreement. Review it and tap Yes and Agree. Complete the enrollment process. Once finished, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Tap Beta Updates. You should now see the iPadOS 27 Developer Beta option available. You can also enroll through the Apple Developer app. Open the App Store and download Apple Developer. Launch the app and sign in with your Apple ID. Tap Platform, then choose the device you're enrolling for, such as iPad. Then wait for Apple to synchronize your account permissions. After that, return to Settings, General, Software Update, and Beta Updates. You should now be able to select iPadOS 27 Developer Beta. Before updating, connect your iPad to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure you have enough free storage space available. Once everything is ready, you can proceed with the installation. Still can't see the beta update? Or having trouble enrolling in the Apple Developer Program? No worries, you can upgrade directly with ReiBoot. ReiBoot makes it easy to upgrade or downgrade iOS, iPadOS, and macOS with no data loss and no complicated setup. The free download link is available in the description below. Now let's see how it works. Connect your iPad to your computer and launch ReiBoot. Once your device is detected, click iOS Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically identify your device model and display available firmware versions, including iPadOS 27 beta. Select the beta firmware and download it. After the download is complete, click Upgrade Now. Keep your iPad connected throughout the process. The installation usually takes around 10 minutes. When it's finished, your iPad will automatically restart and boot into iPadOS 27 beta. Compared with manual methods, ReiBoot makes upgrading faster and easier. You might want to use iTunes to upgrade your iPad, but iTunes doesn't currently support installing iPadOS 27 beta firmware. So ReiBoot is a better choice, letting you download and install iPadOS 27 beta in just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.